One question I have, Prabhu. This time Gaur Purnima is falling on a weekday. Gaur Purnima is falling on a weekday. And many devotees, some of them, they are saying they have office, they have to go to office, and some we have to make our kids ready. So how they can prioritize, going for the kirtan and manage their daily activity, especially on this day of Gaur Purnima?
You see, you are going for Arunodaya Kirtan for Krishna on Gaur Purnima, right? It is so valuable to your life. So make adjustments. Make adjustments and see that you attend. Just like suddenly you get fever, you'll put a leave to your work. You have to put a leave. It's a simple adjustment. This is not for fever, but this is for Krishna's pleasure. And join in huge numbers, make adjustments. You should understand that it is a very rare thing. Okay, somebody tells you that, look, today you take a holiday, you go and meet such and such a person, some work he has got morning to evening, you are a good consultant, you are a good architect, monthly you are earning 1 lakh, but he wants you to go there, morning to evening you work, he will give you 10 lakhs. You will put leave or not? So Gaur Purnima, Arunodaya Kirtan, Sankirtana, adjust everything else, it's the most valuable.